What up, peeps? So, as you can tell from the videos, we got the new RV. We got it all set up and went to hook up everything, and we hooked up the water and turned the water on, and I came around the front of the RV, wife's yelling for me to shut the water off. So I ran back around, turned the water off, came inside to this.
I never made it, but I know what it takes. I'm motivated by a mix of emotion. Got my statement.
So this broke completely apart, and this one's about to come out. This one's about to come out. So we got the water shut off and everything, and so gotta get that replaced. Now, got some options here. We can take it back to the place that we got it after we got all moved in and let them fix it, do their thing, or do what we did and invested just a little bit more money in a better one and replace it ourselves. So instead of having to pick all this up and move it and do all that jazz and deal with that mess, we're just gonna replace it ourselves. So stick around, see how this goes. We ended up getting this, I'm probably gonna pronounce it wrong, but this Festina, better quality, better life faucet. I looked up RV faucets on Amazon, and this was one of the ones that Ryan really liked and I really liked, and so we got this one. It comes in this nice little fancy bag, but it's black, kind of like the shower, and hopefully these line up. Like I said, I try to stick with the same design. It does come with whole bathroom kit that we probably won't use, but the spacers we'll probably use, and who knows, I might put these braided wires on there. I don't know, I might just keep the RV ones on there, but I don't know how that's entirely set up. So with that being said, we're going to take this apart. We're going to start the disassembly of the bathroom and the sink in the bathroom, and see if we can get this repaired, because we've been without it for a minute and kind of sucks, because we have to brush our teeth and do everything down at the kitchen sink. That's kind of a pain in the ass. So anyways, stick around. As you can see, the different colored wire, hose pipes, hoses. I got everything shut off, and we're gonna start disconnecting and see if we can get this all taken apart. Hopefully, it's not complete pain in the butt, but we'll see, huh? So as you can see up there, the red and the blue should hopefully be pretty easy. They're just kind of screwed on there. So we'll hopefully be able to reach up there. Okay, and it's out. We all know that's some pretty cheapy plastic. So let's get that other one. All right. this one. I didn't want to put the spacer in. Alright, so there it is set up. Let's get all the hoses hooked back to it and test it out. So, moment of truth. It is all hooked up. I ended up having to take the door off so I could reach it. Get my arm up there, but there's the levers. What we're gonna do is we're gonna keep one of these on. That way, just in case there's some air pressure, it doesn't. Check for leaks. Hey, look at there. We got water. Check for any leaks. I don't see any. Let me kick the hot water side on now. I did just the so we'll kick the cold water off. See if we can get some hot water up here. Everything's working. So, there you go. Installing a faucet in RV. I'm gonna put the door back on. And go have a drink because I'm a little thirsty. But I hope this was informative. Do appreciate you guys. And have a good one. Which I'm probably gonna say it wrong, but this Faustina faucet, it works great. It's solid quality. It's metal, it's not plastic. Plenty of pieces to where if you didn't even have anything in there, it comes with everything that you need, including the braided wire. But everything that I had just hooked right back up. So, I think it looks great. It's a beautiful faucet. It matches our shower. And I do appreciate you guys watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hope it's informative, but we'll catch you on the flip side. Deuces.